Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. In this section, we are going to solve the problems from previous year board exam question paper related to linear equation in two variables. First question. For simultaneous equation in variables x and y, if dx is equal to 49, dy is equal to minus 63 and d is equal to 7, then what is the value of x? Here we apply the determinant method. We know if we apply the determinant method to solve a simultaneous linear equation, the value of x is equal to dx upon d. Dx upon d. Here the values of dx and d are given. Dx is equal to 49 upon 7. 49 upon 7 is equal to 7. So from the given options, option A is 7 is the answer. The value of x is dx upon d and the value of variable y is dy upon d. So our correct option is option A. The next question. If 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11, then find the value of x plus y. Two linear equations are given. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. The equation number 1, and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. These two linear equations are given. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. The question is find the value of x plus y. If we go through the given equations, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged in the given two equations. Here the coefficients of x is 15 and for second equation the coefficient of y is 15. This type of problems, first first add these two equations. 15x plus 17x. Add equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. 15 plus 17 is equal to 32x plus 17y plus 15y is 32y equal to 21 plus 11 is equal to 32. After the addition of these two linear equations, we get 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. If we divide this equation throughout by 32, then we get x plus y equal to 1. Now we get another linear equation, x plus y is equal to 1. And our question is find the value of x plus y. That means the value of x plus y is equal to 1. So our answer, the x plus y equal to 1. The next question. Complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. One linear equation is given and one box corresponding to the coordinates of x and y, and on the given table some empty boxes are there. We have to fill this empty boxes its corresponding values to draw the graph of the given equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. To plot a graph of linear equation, first we have to change the given equation in terms of y. The given equation is 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. So how we can rewrite this? Minus 6y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Minus 6y is equal to 3 minus 2x. If we multiply this equation throughout by minus, then it becomes 6y equal to 2x minus 3, or y equal to 2x minus 3 upon 6. The value of y equal to 2x minus 3 upon 6. Now consider the first value of x. Here given x is equal to minus 5, then what is the value of y? If x is equal to minus 5, y equal to, in place of x substitute minus 5, that is 2 into minus 5 minus 3 upon 6. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 3 upon 6, that is equal to minus 13 by 6. When x is equal to minus 5, the value of y is equal to minus 13 upon 6. So this box is filled by the value minus 30 upon 6. Next, the value of y. The value of variable y is given. When y is equal to 0, what is the value of variable x? If y is equal to 0, this equation y equal to 2x minus 3 upon 6 become 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write 2x is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 3 upon 2. When y equal to 0, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 3 upon 2. And the last row of this given table is the coordinates x and y. So we can fill this empty boxes according to the values: x minus 5, y minus 13 upon 6, and the value of x 3 upon 2, and y equal to 0. Next question. Find the value of determinant 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. We know how to find the value of determinant. The given determinant 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. The value of determinant D equal to 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 is 7 upon 6 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 is 15 upon 6. 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6 is equal to minus 8 upon 6. We can simplify it, that is divide this denominator and numerator by 2. It's become minus 4 upon 3. So the value of the given determinant is minus 4 upon 3. The next question. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. How we can solve this problem? It's a application type question related to linear equation. So let the numerator be taken as x and denominator be y. According to first condition, denominator of the fraction become 4 more than twice the numerator. Denominator y becomes 4 more than twice the numerator. So we can represent that relation as y equal to 2x plus 4. The second given condition is the denominator become 12 times the numerator if both numerator and denominator reduced by 6. If numerator and denominator reduced by 6, numerator x becomes x minus 6 and y, numerator become 2x plus 4 minus 6, that is equal to 2x minus 2. If numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, then denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. The value of y is 2x minus 2. So we can write it as 2x minus 2 is equal to 12 into x minus 6. 2x minus 2 is equal to 12 into x minus 6. 2 into x minus 1 equal to 12 into x minus 6. 2 into x minus 1 equal to 12 into x minus 6. If we divide this equation throughout by 2, it's become x minus 1 equal to 6 into x minus 6. So if we remove the bracket, multiply 6 into x minus 6 become 6x minus 36, or x minus 1 is equal to 6x minus 36. The terms of x on the same side, it's become minus 5x is equal to minus 35, or x is equal to minus 35 upon 5 equal to 7. The value of x is equal to 7. We taken as x be the numerator. So value of x is equal to 7 and value of y. If we substitute here, y is equal to 2x plus 4 and x is equal to 7, then this value become 2 into 7 plus 4. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So the value of y is equal to 18. The fraction is 7 upon 18. We can confirm our answer using the given conditions. That is, first is numerator be x and denominator is 2 times 4 more than 2 times the denominator, and when it's the numerator and denominator reduced by 6, then the fraction become 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 and 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 1 upon 12, that is 12 times the denominator is 12 times the numerator. So we can confirm our answer is right. The fraction is 7 upon 18. The last question in this section. Convert the following equation into simultaneous equations and solve. Two equations are given. Whole root of x upon y is equal to 4. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon xy. first step is convert these equations into simultaneous equation. Take the first equation. Root of x upon y is equal to 4. So first, to remove this root symbol or radical symbol, what we can do? If we square this equation, then this equation become root of x upon y the whole square equal to 4 square. Root of x upon y the whole square, then it become x upon y equal to 16, or we can write it as x upon y is equal to 16, therefore x is equal to 16y. Or we can write the first equation as x minus 16y equal to 0. Now consider the second given equation. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon xy. Consider the left hand side. If we take xy as the numerator, then the xy as the denominator, then the numerator become y plus x. Y plus x upon xy equal to 1 upon xy. If we multiply this equation throughout by xy, then it's become y plus x is also x plus y equal to 1. So the second equation is changed into the form of linear equation as x plus y equal to 1. Now we get two equations in the form of general form of linear equation. X minus 16y equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. Now solve this equation. If we subtract the equation 1 minus equation 2, then it's become minus 16y minus y is minus 17y equal to minus 1, or y equal to 1 upon 17. The value of variable y equal to 1 upon 70. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2, then equation 2 become x plus 1 upon 17 equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 17. This 17 minus 1 upon 17 equal to 16 upon 17. So first we convert the given equations into simultaneous linear equations. First equation, root of x upon y is equal to 4, we convert as x minus 16y is equal to 0. And the second given equation, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon xy is converted as x plus y is equal to 1. The given two equations are converted into form of simultaneous linear equation, and after solving the simultaneous equations, we get the value of variables x and y are x equal to 16 upon 17 and y equal to 1 upon 17. The solution of these two equations are x is equal to 16 upon 17 and y equal to 1 upon 17, and the two given equations are converted as simultaneous equation in the form of x minus 16y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. Thank you.